Status kereta ni Azrul.
So status on this car, the owner said kata on this section and behind on driver side ada water leaking.
Ya, kan nampak dia punya carpet sana basah.
And under this carpet basah, kita can feel it. And the thing is, masa owner datang, owner said air tu bertakung until this level. So basically right now dia dah, air tu pun dah jatuh because of the under this one dia ada lubang. So but the thing is on the sunroof kat bawah this one dia dah jadi basah. So the thing is kita kena remove the seat and then remove this part here to see what inside the carpet and then kita akan extract.
Okay, so soalannya sekarang, belah kiri sini korang dah check kan? So sekarang I touch is dry. Belah kiri is dry. The back here wet or not?
The back this one, the driver side still wet, tapi tak terlalu basah from like ke depan.
Okay, the thing you need to check is boot ada check spare tire well.
Okay, the spare tire dekat bahagian boot is dry, it's completely dry.
So we eliminate boot as the cause lah. So dia, because last time we dealt before, air masuk boot, dia melimpah masuk passenger seat.
Ya, betul.
So that one is kita eliminate. Okay, then so of course kita kena, first thing kita kena buka seat ni, driver seat, and tengok how wet is it bawah the thing.
Okay, and kita akan tembak air also to see ada got some leaking that punca air tu masuk.
So dia ada dua kemungkinan. Satu dia leak dari pintu, satu dia leak dari firewall.
Ya.
Kan? So jom kita buka bonnet tengok firewall.
Okay.
Bawah ada torchlight ah?
Torchlight. Here we go.
Okay. Nah. Okay, so sana got the there's nothing
showing that this car yang ada leak.
Kalau torch, sebab kalau firewall ada dua tempat. One, dia dari brake master pump sini, dia ada lubang lah. Atau tu dia dari steering gear keluar. Tapi both of it looks like quite okay. Kan, sini pun air nampak macam mengalir dengan
air
normal.
mengalir jatuh ke bawah.
Which is
so
normal.
The thing is, air dia tak masuk inside the car lah.
Correct. Correct. Okay loh, so kena buka driver seat dulu, tengok macam mana.
Buka driver seat and see what inside the carpet.
Okay, come. Oh my god. Oh yo. Dia kena dia kena pergi.
This one dah leaking lah. Dia punya gasket probably.
Okay. This one nanti alert owner to send his engine for major service or overhaul. So Azrul, I think what kita buatkan is kan, buka the driver seat keluar, then the carpet, you lift out the carpet, then kita run water kat pintu tengok. So looks like dia dari pintu. Kan? And one more thing. Check juga just lift up. Okay, so here confirm dry. Dia tak masuk dari sini lah.
Yeah. So there's no problem between air coming from the back lah.
Tapi this screw kena buka lah supaya kita boleh
access the panel inside. Dancing in the dark. You betray.
Azrul kan. So tadi kita dah run water. Okay, sini pun tak basah.
And so probably the water is not coming through by door lah. So but right now kita akan buka this panel.
Okay.
To see the water with this part.
Okay.
Either the water to coming from front ataupun this side.
Okay. Tapi tadi Shira told me that the owner dia punya tempat kerja tu ada banjir sikit. So maybe that's the reason lah. Kalau banjir means maksudnya the car is not leaking.
Yeah.
Kan?
But the thing is kita kalau banjir usually air akan jadi like macam air lumpur punya colour.
Tapi kenapa dia banjir masuk sebelah saja?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Sini belakang panel ni macam mana?
Dry.
It's dry. Okay.
Hmm.
So dia dah basah dah. It's done. Dia memang basah kat bawah sini. Okay.
So dia punya soundproofing dia ni dah basah.
Okay, so ini
But
kena.
the thing is dia tak ada water leak punya kesan pun.
Yalah.
Ha.
Tapi ini pun basah juga.
Ya.
So ini kena letak bawah matahari untuk keringkan lah.
Tapi atas this one kering. So the water is not coming from in front.
Okay, so that's good. Dia tak datang dari firewall.
But dia punya on getah this part dia jadi basah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
right now probably kita kena buka the seat to angkat the carpet to see inside the driver side and the passenger behind.
Okay, let's proceed. Seat dah buka, apa yang kita dapat cari?
So right now kita akan see what inside.
Oh, I think ini seat belt kena buka dulu so that kita boleh.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Okay, nice. Dah longgar dah.
Okay. Seat belt off.
So, apa?
Alright. Okay.
Okay. Tak terus sangat pun.
Yeah. As we can see, this section kita boleh nampak dia basah.
Actually, dia lebih basah belah sini oh. Dia macam belakang lebih basah kan?
To compare front dengan belakang, this one lagi wet. Kita
Here is smelly lah. Busuk.
Yeah. See, the water drop.
Tapi tak nampak pula apa punca lip dia sini kering.
Tapi this part basah.
This part basah. Basahnya dari mana? Itu persoalan dia. Okay. Kita check, is it the door? I rasa kita kena check, is it the door?
I rasa kita tutup pintu balik.
Yes.
So kita tembak air to see what. Where's the water coming.
This panel here yang dah buka kan, just press it back together. Then tutup the pintu.
Alright. So kita akan buat a water test.
I think yang belah sini driver pun tutup lah.
The driver side pun kita close
Just put back the panels but without the carpet, then kita boleh nampak dah dengan jelas. I think that one tak payah screw, just snap. Macam tak betul.
Because this one dia tak masuk habis kan?
No, that's why you have to
push this one.
That one I think you have to that one masukkan dia dengan betul, correct.
Okay.
Yes. Tapi tak payah screw lah. Okay.
So this one.
Correct. There. So. Itu the clip dah align kan?
Okay, this one clip dah di tengah.
Okay, dah. Okay, close the door, then run water tengok. So Azro is running the water inside. Let's see if water is dripping down here or not. What's obvious to me is that the rear section looks wetter than the front. Okay, now this is interesting. See this? There is more water. Still nothing. Dia sini ada extra basah, tapi basahnya kan is the water that flow that squeeze out from the carpet here. So dia bukan water yang bocor dari luar.
So means not because of the water coming from outside lah.
Not for now. Tapi still soalannya air yang dari carpet ni datang dari mana?
Yeah, true.
Means dia masuk dalam kereta ikut mana?
Itu.
Tapi dia punya concern ialah dekat depan, tapi rupanya belakang yang
Belakang.
Sebab dia tak duduk belakang. So dia tak perasan lah belakang how much. This one because of carpet lah.
Ya. You cuba picit the carpet sini. Kan? Air keluar.
This one lagi wet to compare front.
air tu daripada kapet ke tu yang tadi?
Ya.
Ya, air tu kita picit keluar dari carpet punya. Okay, so belah sana tak basah.
Ya.
Sini basah. And it cannot be dari
Center console.
tak logik kan? Sebab if let's say like whatever it is, dia because dia cuma ada could have been from the firewall. Tapi firewall tadi you sudah cakap is
dry.
dry. And bawah sini kering kan?
Yeah, this one is
Because if kalau dia is leak from either the front or the back, dalam sana akan basah. This is perfectly dry. Perfectly dry. Tapi dia
the sunroof yang basah.
ini carpet.
Sunroof.
So ini kena keringkan. Kan? Belah sana tak basah. And tadi kita tengok balik WhatsApp, owner dia bawa kereta, this car was kena banjir.
This car ada banjir. But the thing is, banjir tu pun tak dalam sangat.
Tapi tak ada kerosakan banjir.
How air tu boleh masuk inside this section.
So the theory could be either masa dia parking tu is, kalau dia park slope tak masuk akal juga, because kalau slope tu takkan ada banjir. Means most likely is dia parking and probably ataupun masa dia driving, there's another car besides yang redah air banjir tu. Dia punya wave tu kan yang
coming inside his car.
yang masuk. That's why dia basah satu belah, kering satu belah. But right now, because kita sudah buat leak test all around the door, tak ada mah. Boot pun kering mah. Firewall tak ada air masuk mah. So that's the only theory I can come up with. Tadi you simbah air kat bawah pun, sini pun tak basah pun.
Masuk, And also the roof pun tak ada problem with the watermarks, kesan watermarks or anything lah.
Ataupun ada orang tumpah air dalam sini pun boleh jugalah.
There was the big punya ni lah, possible lah. Ada orang terjatuh air.
Sebab
kalau I nak cakap the water coming from under punya carriage punya reason pun not sure juga, sebab they have the rubber here.
Tapi tadi you sudah test mah.
Ada sudah test pun. So water pun tak keluar daripada rubber. So there's no problem within the water under the carriage.
Okay. Tak apalah, so what we can do is that this car besok kan, hari ni hujan, besok hopefully is dry. Kasih sidai, let the carpet dry, then we clean the underside of the carpet, kita keringkan. Right. Hey, RXA macam mana? Okay, now testing. Okay. So this car dah biar dia kering 1 hari kan?
I dah biar dia dry for 1 days. Lepas tu pagi tadi pun I dah biarkan dia duduk bawah matahari for entire half day dah.
Okay.
So right now dia punya carpet pun dah dry. So right now kita tinggal proses for pasang balik seat and clean the car.
Okay, good. Nanti this belakang pun tolong dia bersihkan lah.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Since dah alang-alang dah buka kan?
Yeah.
This one pun letak balik.
Right now the carpet is dry already.
Oh, so you know why dia basah satu belah.
Why?
Sebab tadi semalam aku borak dengan owner on the phone. Dia cakap dia parking kat tepi jalan. Then it's the jalan tu dia ada lubang tau. So the car was sengit one side. And then it banjir, it flooded. So that's why when it flooded,
water is coming in.
dia masuk here. And that's why when he went back to the car, that side tak boleh masuk. He had to come in from the passenger side and go in here. And that's why the water was here. That's why the water didn't go into this side because it memang was flooded and it came in and it memang
from this side only.
Yeah. Okay lah. So memang bawah carpet is all dried up already lah under
Dry
the sun.
already.
Okay. Good. Lucky got no smell eh.
Yeah. But still got to do air freshening to give a new smell. Because they got macam bau like kepam because you already left for 2 weeks something.
Luckily 2 weeks. Luckily 2 weeks. We have seen some the under the carpet is moist for too long. The thing rust even worse eh.
Yeah. Sometimes sampai keluar mold and everything sah.
Okay. So we give him the Sonex, the aircon spray lah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. After we done wash this one, we're going to put air freshener.
Okay. Okay. Then lepas pasang ni, then itu RX-8 pun kena. RX-8 dah start.
Leather, kursi, everything's done.
Dia punya bawa under the carpet macam